Clients often ask me if there is any way to get rid of paying child support or alimony, or even just debt that they've been assigned in a divorce decree through a bankruptcy. The long and short answer with relation to child support and alimony is that that particular type of debt in bankruptcy is never going to be able to get discharged. Now, if you fall behind on your obligation, you can use a Chapter 13 bankruptcy to reorganize what you've fallen behind in a more structured payment versus being garnished on your paycheck or your bank account. Chapter 13 allows you up to 5 years to propose a repayment back to the obligation holder such that it can free up cash flow instead of having a large garnishment taken out of your paycheck or even money directly from your bank account. You still have to pay your ongoing support obligation. Sometimes we recommend maybe a direct payroll deduction from your employer so that you don't get further behind. But a Chapter 13 bankruptcy can be a way to help with reorganizing that past due obligation. With regards to certain types of debt assigned in a divorce decree, it depends on the nature of what that looks like as to whether or not you can get rid of it. If a judge assigns you a credit card debt, but you are waiving maintenance or support, it's said to be an obligation that you make in lieu of maintenance or support. So therefore, it becomes a domestic support obligation and you can't get rid of it in bankruptcy. Now, if you have a true joint debt and you are assigned to pay that and your spouse is not, you can get rid of what we call joint marital settlement agreements in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Now, Chapter 7 won't let you get rid of those joint marital obligations, so that if you were to get rid and discharge it, your ex could come back against you in divorce court for contempt. So looking at your paperwork to determine what type of debt, whether it falls into a non-dischargeable domestic support or just a marital property settlement, is something we at the firm do on a daily basis for clients to help determine if bankruptcy, and if so, which chapter, can potentially help them get rid of a lot of debt that they accrued or were assigned in the marriage. My name is Elizabeth Domenico. I'm the debt and bankruptcy attorney here at Robinson & Henry. In order to assess your situation, we offer half-hour free consultations to go over your information. We also offer paid consultations if you want us to look specifically at your divorce decree and make an assessment to whether you can get rid of it, or if bankruptcy is an option to help out. You can call the office and schedule that free consultation, and we'll be happy to work with you and look at your options for getting rid of or reorganizing domestic support or marital property settlement agreements.